What you're about to hear is a senior manager at Clarion, the UK's largest housing association, tell one of her team he can pretend he's put up an important fire safety notice in one of their buildings.
No one can't listen into our calls. Okay, no. So if you don't get access tomorrow, alright, don't tell anyone I told you this.
Yeah.
Just put it up in a plain bit of wall.
Yeah.
Take a picture.
Okay, got ya.
It's done. Don't make a habit of doing that though.
Yeah, no, I hear you.
The call then continues.
You better never tell no one I told you that, you know.
Yeah, no, that's good, I'll do that.
I'm trying to help you hit your targets.
Yeah, 100%.
Alright, but let's not make a habit of it.
Yeah, no, definitely. Alright, cool.
Alright. I bet I can trust you, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
If you don't, I'll come and find you.
The poster he's supposed to have been putting up is a notice asking any residents with disabilities or vulnerabilities to contact Clarion. That's so the London Fire Brigade could make a plan to get them out of the building in the event of a fire. It's part of compliance with new regulations brought in since the Grenfell Tower fire. But she's clearly telling him it's okay to fake putting it up by taking a photo of it on a blank wall anywhere.
My team is always on point. We always meet our targets, so no one can tell me about my work.
Yeah.
My work's through you guys and how you perform. That's my main focus.
That conversation took place in 2022, as this email reporting it to Clarion's HR team explains. This was sent in September 2023 by the employee involved, reporting that he was directed to create a deceptive visual representation for a fire risk action. A year later, in September 2024, the recording was sent to management and then they began investigating. The manager involved wasn't sacked until summer 2025, almost 2 years after Clarion were first told about it. Clarion say that in 2023 no supporting evidence was provided despite our request. When an audio recording was shared with us, we immediately launched a full investigation, which led to the dismissal of a staff member. They add our investigation included interviews of all relevant team members to ensure this was an isolated incident. The manager involved was in charge of around 40 blocks in North London. Plans for evacuating vulnerable residents should be stored in boxes like this in high-rise blocks. And just to be clear, the consequence of that information not being readily available to the fire brigade?
Could be death, serious injury to the person.
This chartered surveyor specialises in fire safety. We played the recording to him. Would you see this as an isolated incident, or do you think this could be industry-wide?
It will be industry-wide, yes. Money saving? Couldn't care less. Lessons haven't been learnt. It won't happen to me. You know, the same thing that happened with Grenfell, which I and other people were warning about being ignored.
Edward Defan survived the Grenfell fire, escaping from the 16th floor.
I stood underneath the burning carcass of Grenfell in the days after the fire, and I was absolutely convinced that it would be the catalyst for societal change.
He's frustrated a new conduct standard for people working in social housing still won't be fully implemented for another 3 to 4 years.
The only conclusion I can come to is that those in power, those people who have the power to make the change necessary, really don't care enough about people that live in social housing.
This matters not just to the thousands of people who live in Clarion buildings, but also because Clarion is a major home builder. The government has an ambitious plan to build 1.5 million homes by the end of this Parliament, and companies like Clarion will be needed if they're going to deliver that. Kwejo Twenoboa campaigns on behalf of social housing tenants.
I do worry about the fact that they are going to be in charge of housing thousands of more people up and down the country. They are also my landlord, and it's an absolute disgrace that 5 years into me campaigning, there's still situations like this.
Clarion told us they're committed to playing their part in building safe, affordable homes. A government spokesperson said these allegations show a total disregard of vulnerable people. Those breaking the law can already face prosecution, and we're introducing new laws so that residential personal emergency evacuation plans are required for all high-rise homes.
Just put it up in a plain bit of wall.
Yeah.
Take a picture.
Okay, got ya.
But this recording will confirm fears of social housing residents who don't believe their safety is always taken seriously. Becky Johnson, Sky News, North London.